Mangaliam Tandunanena, powered by Ramraj Cotton Malayalam Taramudra, co-powered by Malabar Gold and Diamonds, the responsible jeweler.